Namaskar. Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. Friends, this is the third round bed I'm showing you, and this one is a similar bed from the video number 260 that I've shown you earlier. So why I'm showing you this one? Because this is the actual size of a round bed that is regularly made. The middle area for the mattress is 7 feet diameter. A regular round bed is 7 feet dia. The one in 260 number video was same design in 8.5 feet mattress area because the client needed that big size. This one is going to Bangalore and the height of the back is 6.5 feet. The height till the top of this vase is 30 inches, and once you have the mattress in the middle, the design would be complete. With the round beds, we get several questions like the mattress, where do you get it? So the round bed mattress is made on order. So any local store who sells branded mattresses can make this easily for you. And the sheet. So any super king size mattress bed sheet would work fine on this. About the design. This is teak wood, high gloss teak finish, and the exemplary work that you see on the back of this unit. This is all hand carved. The work that you see is hand carving and done on complete teak wood. This is not pressing. Now, if you see this part, this is at least 8 inches wide till this area. The base wood is 1.5 inches, and after the total work, somewhere is 3 inches, somewhere is 4 inches, and somewhere up to 8 inches as well. So thickness varies from place to place depending on the design. Now the front area. If you see, the entire side of this unit is beautifully carved from front to back. Everywhere you see beautiful carving on the unit. And similarly on the front, a beautiful vase design with the flowers and the leaves and the petals. The work is carried forward in the entire unit. Another question is about the installation of this unit. This is a heavy unit. This is not light work because it's entire made of wood. The middle area, this is ply, rest everything is wood. It comes with storage, has got an hydraulic. Once you place the mattress on it, it would be very easy with the weight of the mattress to open and close. Now this comes in 3 parts. This is one part, this is part 2, and the head is separate. So installation requires you place both the round boxes together, make it a complete circle, and the back part then goes in the slots here. And once it goes in the slot, you need to tighten the bolts from the back and the installation is complete. It's a heavy structure, so it doesn't move itself. Once you place the mattress on it, it would be a complete unit. Installation would require a few guys, at least 3-4 guys, to handle the unit because this is a heavy structure, but won't require more than 10 minutes to install the unit. This one is going to Bangalore, so any part of India you want, we can deliver there. Outside India also, we are delivering to most of the places. The color, if you want in gold finish or some other color, that can also be done. The variations I've shown you, we can make it bigger or we can make it this size also. In round beds, smaller sizes don't actually work unless you're using it for kids. Reason being, in a regular king size bed, you have the length is around 6.5 feet. Now, in a round bed, that if you go on the corners from this side, the usable area goes quite less. So if you are using it from the middle, you're getting entire 7 feet, but a little here and there, you get lesser space. So below 7 feet, it goes quite small and it's not quite usable unless it's for kids. The design is nice, the work is very beautiful, and exemplary carving, all hand carving. This is not machine work, we make everything by hand, the drawing, the texture, the cuttings, and the carving part. Obviously, small tools, small machines are used, but this is the concept of handicrafts. And we have been promoting and selling handicrafts across the globe. It's been around close to 40 years now. We are in this business. This is a family business. However, this company, Aarsun, is I think now 7 years old, but this is our family business. And it's been across 40 years, we are working on handicrafts and making such beautiful units. Earlier, we didn't take much photographs, very clear photographs and very nice videos. Now we're making videos for most of the stuff we're making. So for the past 2 years, we have made so many units, and now we have more than 350 videos on YouTube for different stuff, different colors, different fabrics, and most of them have been delivered already to the clients. And for most of them, we have testimonials on the website, what the client have said. Here the design is. Hope you like the work. Request for a few comment of yours. Thank you so much.